So good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What we have discussed in the last class?
The two laws of reflections.
Angle of incidence, angle of reflection, incident ray, reflected ray, normal. Laws of reflection, angle of divergence. Okay. These are the things we have discussed in the last class. Now we will discuss about angle of deviation. See, when you are seeing in the mirror, did you notice anything that something is coming from the mirror?
Yes, ma'am. Reflection.
Not reflection. We can see that, for example, if this is a mirror, I place a chalk piece here from this much distance. But if you observe inside the mirror, you will see that this is the distance.
Yes, ma'am.
How much distance is there from mirror to the object? The same distance will be there from the mirror to the image. Yes or not? So there will be some gap there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why there is gap? It is also equal to distance. Distance from the mirror to the object and distance from the mirror to the image. If both are like this is chalk piece here and this will be the chalk piece here and this will be the image. So this is the mirror like this. That means from here to here it is coming. Yes or not? And from here to here it is moving. That means it is diverging there. It is going inside the mirror or not the lake? Is it going?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or not? So first, if this is a mirror, we consider M and M dash. M dash be the mirror. This is the object here. Where do you see the image? You see the image like this here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or not? This is a mirror, no?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
object is here. Image will be which side?
Opposite
This
side.
If this is the image, what will be the mirror? Here.
Here.
But if you observe that the angle of incidence where the light ray falls goes inside the mirror. Yes or not? That means it is making some angle inside the mirror also. We will see something is coming out from the mirror. But what will be there? Nothing will be there. That means just it is making some angle there. Okay. With what angle it is going inside the mirror, it is called as angle of deviation. Okay. So here this is called as angle of deviation. Clear? This angle can be found out by the formula D is equals to N into 180 minus theta. Here N is the number of mirrors there. How much angle is deviated. Okay. Clear? So here N is the number of mirrors. When two mirrors are there, you can find the deviation. It is making some angle with the object. It is angle of deviation. Clear? So it is making some angle with the mirror. This is called as angle of deviation, and this D can be found out by the here. If it is two mirrors, N here, 180 here, and theta is this angle. Clear? Okay. For example, if there are two mirrors, then you can make it as 2 into 180 minus theta. So it will be 360 minus 2 theta. If it is 90 degrees, what will be the answer? Theta is 90 degrees.
360 minus 90.
So angle of deviation is equal to how much? 180. It will be a straight line. Clear? Understood? If it is 180, what happens? It will be straight like this only. You cannot see the object image. Understood? Angle of deviation which goes inside the mirror. The light ray, you can see some light rays traveling into the mirror. No, that is called as deviation. Understood what is angle of deviation?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. How many of you seen saloons? Saloons, where you cut your hair.
Yes, ma'am.
How many images can you see in the saloons?
3
How
or
many
4,
images can you see
4.
in the saloons? 3 or 4?
2
More images. If there are two parallel images like this, parallel are here. Here, it will be going on seeing. Yes or not? Yes? It will be going on reflected. If two mirrors are like this, what happens? You are sitting here. Your image will be falling here. Again, it will reflect from here or not? Where it falls?
On
this
another
side.
image.
This will be reflected?
Yes,
On this. Reflected? So how many images can you see? Number of infinity.
Infinity, ma'am.
If you take two mirrors like this, If you keep candle in the middle or keep any object in the middle, how many images can you see?
So many.
Huh?
So many.
If they are parallel, so many. But if it is
Only two, ma'am.
Two, ma'am.
Two, ma'am.
only
Two.
let us see now. What is the formula for number of images falling in a two planes? If 360 by theta. For example, let us take it as 90 degrees. So mirrors are placed like this at 90 degrees. Okay. What is the angle?
90.
So what is 360 by 90?
40 more. 4.
4.
Ma'am,
9 ones.
0 cancel.
9
1
9 4. Okay. This 4 is what? Even or odd number?
Even number.
Even number. So even number you have to do 4 minus 1. Okay. How much?
3.
Got it? So how many mirrors are formed when the two mirrors are at 90 degrees? 3 mirrors. If it is odd, odd means for example 5 or 7.
Plus
Okay.
1, ma'am.
If the image is at the middle, you have to do minus 1. If the image is not at the middle, you are not of doing minus 1. First of all, if it is 4, 2, 6, in certain way if it is even, just simply you have to do minus 1.
If it is
But if it is 5, 7, 9, 3, what you have to do? If it is in the middle, what you have to do? You have to do minus 1. If it is not in the middle, you have to do minus 1. Clear? That is called the bisector of the angle. If it is middle. Clear everyone? Now if angle is 45, if it is like this, what will be the answer?
4.
360 by 45.
45. 4. 8.
8.
5.
It is 90.
8, ma'am.
360 by
45.
8, ma'am.
9 5s are
45.
9.
4.
5 ones are
5.
It is a bisector. So what you have to do? We have to do minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
8 minus 1?
7.
Clear everyone?
Yes.
Count the number of images formed by a two mirrors and get at different angles. These terms you will get in the practice sheet. Okay.
Ma'am, if it is 100 degrees, ma'am?
Huh?
100 degrees.
You can do that one also. 360 by 100.
100.
If you will get some example for fractions like this. 3 by 2. What will be the answer?
360.
3 by 2. What is the answer? 2 answer 1.5.
Yes, ma'am.
So 1.5, how can you write the images? So you have to take only this value. Before the point, you have to take the value. So how many images? One image. Clear? Understood? If it is a fraction value, take only the before point value. Next, applications of plane mirror. What is the use of plane mirror?
Plain.
Do we have any uses of the plane mirror? No uses of plane mirror.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the main use? Daily morning you stand in front of mirrors, no? Yes, to dress up in the trail rooms, in saloons. To comb hair, to waste time. Yes. Yes or not? You wear new dress and standing in front of the mirror and you will be yourself for hours and hours. So these are some of the uses. They are used in periscope, kaleidoscope. We have discussed periscope,
Yes, ma'am.
kaleidoscope. 3 mirrors will be placed on the triangle form. You will keep some small glass pieces there. That one. Periscope is used to see in the navy. It will be in L form. Here we have 2 mirrors like this. In submarines will be used. Clear? Next, spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors, do you have any idea? Concave and convex mirrors. Yes, they are called as spherical
Mirrors.
What is convex mirror? What is concave mirror? mirrors, do you know one thing? One side will be glass,
Glass.
other side will be what? Coated.
Coated.
With silver paint. Yes or not? So here also for spherical mirrors, these are two spherical mirrors. Okay. So here, where we can see the object here, this is a reflecting surface. This is a mirror, no? It reflects the surface back. So this surface which is inside the curve, it is called as concave mirror. Okay. This surface will be painted with the silver coating.
It will be like cave, that's why
It will be a concave.
Cave.
Yes. What about this one?
Convex
Convex.
mirror.
It will be bulging outside.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here this surface will be coated with the
Outside.
silver coating. Okay. For concave mirrors, the outer area will be coated.
Coating.
Okay. The bulging part outside will be coating, inside will be a mirror.
Mirror.
Okay. This is the reflective surface and this is the coated surface.
surface.
For convex, this will be what?
Coated.
Inside
Coated
coated,
surface.
outside
Reflected surface.
convex. Convex mirrors are used where? For vehicles, do you know rear view mirrors?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. There we use which type of mirrors?
Convex mirrors.
Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood what is concave and convex? Convex will be bulging outside. Concave will be going inside. Okay. Mirror అనేది కర్వ్ లోపల ఉంటే concave. Mirror అనేది కర్వ్ బయట ఉంటే
Convex.
Remember this. Clear?